This was 446.
Here, I got another one then. Yeah. That's not. So I got his too then. Just a couple people, just so you guys know what they're doing out here. Yeah, I save them all to the end of the week now. Chaplain, here was one that's supposedly scratched and added. And then this was the one that was a supposed scratch out of 216 and added 217, but there wasn't nothing in 216. It's all right, we're gonna get it.
Yeah. No, you'll be fine.
What are we? 3 or 4, brother? 1, 2, 3. I think 4. Sorry, I kind of got distracted by the boss.
It's okay.
We're good. We're good. No. No, we're good. No.
He's left it still.
It should be Meredith and then Judy. It should be Meredith with her single and then Judy's 2.
Okay, so what after this one?
Is that Meredith out there? I kind of lost track.
Go Seaweed!
I had the boss. Meredith, is yours out there? Roger that. And then your 2, honey. Yeah. And then Nelson's 2. And then 6.
Holy.
I don't know where you got that, but okay.
Well, you said
Right. Meredith is walking in, which is 1. Yeah, it's...
I'm listening to you.
No, well, you were going to talk to her, so I was letting you. 3. It's 3.
She going out to that blue?
Yes, yep, the skinny.
Okay.
Hey, wait, you have a copy?
All day long, brother. Adult 736. Adult 736.
Do you have any opportunity going on over there?
No, sir, I don't. No, sir, I don't.
Hooverphonic Odeveld has been on the clock in 89.
Woo!
Roger that. What do you got?
In class 287, scratch 820. 820 is scratching 287.
That leaves me with 1 in that meter 70. So if they want to do it, we'll do it, right?
Good job, Serenity.
That's correct. So I think you're fine as you run out in the meter 70s.
Oh, I think so.
736.
So it goes Nelson.